Good afternoon class. Today we discuss our next chapter of your GK book is must study. It is a lesson number 22 of your GK book. The identify the different branches of study and name them with help of clues given below. What do you call? What do you call? The first we discuss the study of nervous system. The study of nervous system is called neurology. Is called neurology. Okay. Second one is the study of heredity and variation. Study of heredity and variation is called genetics. Is called genetics. Next, the study deals with numbers. The study deals with number is called numerology. Is called numerology. Okay. The study of earthquake. The study of earthquake is called seismology. Seismology. Seismology is called seismology. Next, study of life of animals. Study of life of animals is called zoology. Zoology. Okay. The study deals with human society. The study deals with human society is known as sociology. Is known as sociology. Okay. Next, the study of universe. The study of universe is called cosmology. Cosmology. Okay. Next, the study of handwriting. The study of handwriting is called calligraphy. Is called calligraphy. Okay. Next, the study of handwriting is called calligraphy. The study of stamp collection. The study of stamp collection is called philately. The communication between minds by some means other than sensory perception. The communication between minds by some means other than sensory perception is called telepathy. Okay. Next one, the study of human skin. The study of human skin is called dermatology. Is called Dermatology. Dermatology. Okay, next, the study of virus. The study of virus is called virology. Virology. Okay, viro term is used for virus and logy means study. Logy means study. So the study of virus is called virology. Okay, same in case of dermatology. Now, the study of treatment by massage and exercise. The study of treatment by massage and exercise is called physiotherapy. Physiotherapy. Okay. Now, next, the study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Now, next one is the art of predicting causes of human density is called astrology. Thank you.